The Periyar Tiger Reserve is located in the Western Ghats of Kerala, India. It's known for its rich biodiversity, including elephants, tigers, and various species of birds. The reserve is famous for its scenic beauty and opportunities for wildlife sightings through activities like boat safaris and trekking. Periyar Tiger Reserve offers a range of activities such as guided jungle safaris, boat cruises on Periyar Lake, trekking, bamboo rafting, and nature walks. Visitors can also explore the spice plantations and enjoy bird watching in the reserve. Boating in Periyar Tiger Reserve is an incredible experience. You get to explore the serene Periyar Lake, surrounded by lush greenery, and maybe even catch a glimpse of some wildlife like elephants, deer, and birds. It's a must-do activity for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The Periyar Tiger Reserve, located in Kerala, India, offers boating experiences on Periyar Lake, which is situated within the reserve. The boating experience typically starts from the Tekkadi boat landing area. Visitors embark on a serene journey through the picturesque lake surrounded by lush greenery and dense forests. During the boat ride, visitors often have the chance to spot various species of wildlife, including elephants, deer, bison, and a variety of birds. The highlight of the boating experience is the opportunity to catch glimpses of the majestic Indian tiger, which roams freely in the reserve. The boating trip usually lasts around 1 to 2 hours, providing ample time for visitors to soak in the beauty of the natural surroundings and observe the diverse wildlife. The serene ambience of the lake coupled with the thrill of spotting wildlife makes it a memorable experience for visitors of all ages. It's important to note that the availability of boating trips may be subject to weather conditions and other factors, so it's advisable to check with the reserve authorities beforehand. Additionally, respecting the rules and regulations of the reserve, such as maintaining silence and not disturbing the wildlife, enhances the overall experience for everyone. First boat service to Periyar Tiger Reserve starting from early morning 7:30 am. You can avail the tickets online or offline. We should collect bus pass from the office located in Tekkadi at 6 am. From there they will take the tourists to the boating area in Periyar River. Boating ticket will issue from the boating office. First service is from 7:30 am to 9 am. Second service is from 11:45 am to 1:30 pm. Last service is from 3:30 pm to 5 pm. Morning and evening services are the best for spotting animals. The Periyar Tiger Reserve, established in 1950, it was initially called the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and was set up to protect the dwindling population of the Indian elephant. Later, in 1978, it was declared a tiger reserve, owing to its significant tiger population. It's renowned for its diverse flora and fauna, scenic beauty, and its role in wildlife conservation and ecotourism. The Periyar Tiger Reserve, located in Kerala, India, is home to the Periyar Lake, which serves as a reservoir for the region. The history of the reservoir dates back to the late 19th century when it was created by damming the Periyar River. The Mullaperiyar Dam, constructed between 1887 and 1895 during British colonial rule, was primarily built for irrigation purposes. Over time, the reservoir has become not only vital for irrigation but also for generating hydroelectric power and supporting the diverse ecosystem of the Periyar Tiger Reserve. Staying in the Periyar Tiger Reserve would offer a memorable experience immersed in nature's beauty and wildlife. Just remember to adhere to the guidelines to ensure both your safety and the preservation of the environment. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.